guys, so I know I told you guys yesterday in the 18-minute long video, so this is going to be a better clip from yesterday, so I'll say you guys might want to watch this one rather than the 18-minute long video, because this one's definitely going to be 10 times better. Sorry if I'm not directly looking at you guys, and the lighting is probably terrible, but yeah, let's get this vending machine on. I did make slight changes and I decorated it a little bit more. It doesn't look neater than last time. Really, guys? My cats. Sorry about that. So let's just get on with the video. Little disclaimer, sorry for any background noises. Okay guys, so I have a quarter and a penny to show you guys that pennies can and will get rejected. Well, usually will get rejected. Hang on, I'm going to show you pennies can and will get rejected. Sorry. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys.
Right before the baby fell asleep, he was in the swing, and I picked him up and I put him up on my shoulder, and then I heard it. He's like, ugh. And some of it hit my shoulder, but you heard the splat sound. Like that shit sounded.
See, it rejects quarters, or nickel, or pennies, I mean.
Yeah, I know. Horribly.
I told him to. I don't know, but it did go through.
Well, I'm thinking that big ass chunk that came out was a good portion of it, but.
So, yeah, then you can. And let me make sure sign's there to be pushed out. Let me just make sure that there's one there, because they don't just move. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I push it, and I just push it to the wrong area. Like, it just got sent to another whole dimension. I don't even know where it went. Like, it went to another whole spot. And you, like, push it. And I'll show you this process. Then it just comes out of the little chute. It's still zoomed in. Okay. And then you take it out. And if it needs some slime activator, there's a spot right there. It says slime activator, and also it says if needed, and then right here it says retop, and it says 25 cents is not needed. So let's get on to the inside. This video is already 10 times shorter. So once you remove the flap, this is the inside that you guys probably will see as soon as you open it. Well, there's no probably in that. Then you just gotta move this back, and then any slime can go up. I just put that one back. So once you put a penny in, you have to put it in fast, where it won't reject it. And you have to put it in at an angle, kind of, to prove that it's going to be rejected. It didn't want to go through. I just like to flick it. Where did it go? Where's the penny? Da 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 da. Where did the penny just go? Oh. It's right there. So, oh wait, there my cat's on that chair. So right here, there's some pencils. I'm not gonna try to really take it apart because it's kind of weird to put back together. So right here in the back, there's some frizzes, and then right here are all the directions. And I'll read them to you guys because my handwriting looks really bad. You can't actually lift this up. If you'd like, that's going to automatically fall out. But then it says rules. Put 25 cents in, push in the push button, and then turn the stick. And then you guys obviously get it. Oh, I found my other penny. See, pennies will automatically get rejected if you put them in. It says YouTube in the back. I'm trying to, make a better one. See, I'm showing you guys. Pennies can get rejected. Not always. So sometimes you just might be lucky. If it doesn't get rejected, 25 cents is not needed. But it's just fun to play around with the machine. machine. Once I get a new shoebox, I already have something. So if you put it in at like a good spot, it won't reject it. This is the end of the video, so this definitely did not turn out as 18 minutes. So it's like right on the edge, just to show you guys it's not always going to get rejected. So that's a good thing. But quarters automatically will not get rejected. Because they won't fall through this hole either. See if it was like. But if a penny were to, yeah, I pushed that down if you guys are wondering. A penny would fall through. Because the hole's only big enough to fit. So,
there was the plastic thing on the inside.
I'm going to get some more coins to show you guys that it rejects any other coin besides a quarter. So I got to kind of put the quarter in slowly, and it won't reject it. Sometimes it will, which you just got to put it in kind of at a slow speed. And then, once again, sorry for any background noise. If I take my scissors, these are just some purple scissors. This is not how I usually would hold them, but you just kind of have to sometimes open up the slit a little bit more. Which it just means I have to open my scissors a couple of times. And it makes the hole 10 times better. And then the quarter goes through easier. Mostly, sometimes it will fall, not always. I don't know why it's doing it right now. Where did it go? I just lost my quarter. Okay. So, if you put it in slowly, it will not fall. If you put in a penny, it won't fall. Then another penny, it will fall. So you kind of just gotta test around with it. It won't always fall, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part of this is, and if you would like a more detailed part. Bye, guys.